Hello everyone, this is Inayat Mir with section 2 topic 1 configuring Hyper-V on a physical server. In this video I am going to introduce a physical server. From server manager we have to install a Hyper-V role on a host. On my host I am running 8 processors and a 60 gigabyte memory, couple of terabyte hard drives where I'm going to borrow physical room for my virtual servers. So just make sure you got enough room in your hard drive, enough memory and a good processor. Then you have to go into your server manager, click on your add and remove roles and features, click on next, and role based option, click on next and make sure you have your server name available. Click on the server, click on next, select the Hyper-V and all additional required features from Hyper-V and make sure you cannot install this role on any virtual server. It has to be a physical server. So this is my physical server where I'm installing this role. So it is very straightforward. Pick up your network card. If you have more than one network cards, maybe you need to configure one of those two cards with internet, so you can go online as well. So you can configure this very simply. Then you click on next, leave the default options and then again read carefully where basically your virtual hard disks are going or this role where will be installed. Then click on next, and if you want to check the box to restart, which we don't have to for this role, just click on it and click on next and wait until installation is done. So now you have this role installed on your physical server. You can now add one by one virtual machines on your physical server, which we are going to cover in our next video, how to add virtual machines on physical server. Thank you.